Not
Digging a little
stealth.
deeper, I got word of a specially chartered train headed into the Pentagon. Find the rail car with a turret. You might be able to find an access card somewhere to speed things up. Gang, you need to locate the turret. Plug that hard drive into one of the train vault security systems. I should be able to hack it open.
Going straight in or what?
Follow me.
Following.
Don't alert the guard. All's well. Except that like a beer.
I shall go equip my silencer.
Never mind. If we drill this thing, the whole town can hear us.
Remember to keep bystanders away from the drill. The noise might tip them off.
We stealth as long as possible.
Yeah, here can hide.
Make sure no one else comes near the drill. The noise could blow this wide open.
Let me upgrade the drill.
There's a guy at Q just now got. Oh crap.
Question mark, question mark. Still got.
Oh shit, he fired his gun. Never mind.
Use wrong gun.
Oh, he fired his gun at me.
Drill.
Anything inside?
Nope.
Drill in place!
Need back rồi đi hơn.
Dallas, follow!
30 seconds, guys. I hope you're ready.
Why are you drilling the same door?
Yeah, I was inside. Oh shit.
Then I upgrade from the other side.
That's the pilot with the lance. Get it.
Okay.
The pilot just signaled that he's deploying the lance. He's done his job. Now do yours. This is it. The drill has been delivered. Find it and get into those vaults.
Where's the drill? Oh my god.
Hey, down there, down there.
Ready or not, here I come. Clock's ticking.
Come down.
Okay, taser
I need to answer phone. Wait I camp in the safe area first.
I got the back. Coming up.
They're using C4 to blast the doors. Guess they don't know about all the live ammo that train is carrying. They're blowing the doors off the rail cars. You're gonna be exposed to sniper fire in there, so be careful.
I've got a drill here.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
taser dead!
Over here.
Okay, back. Sorry.
Bring the drill. This
Where?
way.
Keep him off the drill. Just like that. Great stuff.
Well, how you fly up one?
What?
How do you climb up?
They're using C4 to blast the doors. Guess they don't know about all the
Ooh,
live ammo
where?
the train is carrying.
Up there.
Taser's dead.
Okay.
I still have a drill, by the way.
Okay. I don't know. We need to open 1 or 2 doors. Let me check. Over here, Chicky. Come here. Okay, Diego, you got that drill.
I'm upgrading the drill.
And you got the drill. Why
Wait,
you
I
got it?
cannot hear.
Got the drill.
Okay.
There's 2 sides.
Again.
You got your drill. There's 2 sides.
Okay, guarding. The
Use
jewelry. Yeah.
Snipers are being brought in, people.
A shield coming in.
Shield.
How? Who those are?
Hands up.
I shoot it from behind.
No point. Must shoot the head.
Yeah. Shit.
Later, inside got the fuel bag. Don't shoot it.
That taken care of.
It will explode.
Don't what?
Don't shoot the bags.
Okay.
It will explode.
Okay.
And don't grenade it also.
No, can hide in the garbage bin one.
I don't think can.
Heads up. They're deploying on a nearby roof.
Going
The open
to,
door one.
they want to throw the dead body if he is stealth.
Oh.
Where are all the snipers?
I'm going fix.
I took them out.
Okay, nice.
Nice.
Shield smoke.
Okay.
Get the taser. Taser eliminated.
Ready for anything.
Fixing.
Look here. Shield down.
Taser. 25 seconds.
Come with me. I got them guys.
2 minutes here.
1 second.
Almost to
Open.
the vault door. Get ready.
Can you just back everything inside there?
There it is. Break it down and get each piece out.
Oh shit, Crocker.
There's nothing inside. Oh, there is.
Gerald, come here first.
Another cannon to the pickup, gang.
Shit. 16 seconds.
Wait.
Oh shit. I'm dead.
Coming.
You find a hostage. Walker.
Oh no.
Gerald, you find a hostage. You can hostage one.
Where there's no hostage.
I got one up there. I just
Okay.
now fight them.
Nice. 30 seconds.
What to do with the item?
Is it the zip line?
Wait.
Oh, must wait until the assault over first.
Down here got thing one.
You disassemble the TF2 turret first.
I don't even know what it is called. Turret ah. Disassemble turret.
Yes.
Disassemble already. Still got how long you?
The assault must be over first.
How to stop the assault?
Survive ah. Otherwise, I think the guy is having the hostage. Yep.
Come get ammo.
I need to set up the turret, is it?
Oh, you must bring it to somewhere. You leave it there first, leave everything there first. You set up the zip line, You saw the yellow color thing beside you? Set
Yeah.
it up, set it up. Not inside, outside.
You just gave me a few more gray hairs.
30
Let's
seconds.
wrap it back to work.
You haven't set it up yet. Okay. Okay, 20 seconds. Fix the other drill first. Other
Okay.
side. Ten seconds.
Drill spawn.
It sounds like one of the drills has jammed. We'll have to fix it.
1 second. Okay.
How ah?
Wait ah. Did you say anything? Okay.
Wow.
Oh yes.
Thanks. Okay, coming.
Wow, I don't know where I'm being shot at.
Sniper.
Oh, shit.
Oh, bulldozer.
Help.
Bulldozer. I can't do anything.
Too much shit, right?
Oh, bulldozer inside. Bulldozer the train. Bulldozer inside the train. Down.
That's the turret ammo. I can take that later, but keep after the turret.
Okay. I'm bagging the ammo.
That's live high explosives, so be gentle.
I know there's another zip line here.
Look it down.
Okay, that one is explosive. Don't shoot it. Chiki, you go to the other side. You back. I mean, you put in the. Oh shit.
How many you need?
Oh,
Wow.
so you just back there first.
Yeah, I'm begging it.
Chiki, come to this side. Okay.
Hostiles down.
Coming.
Do you need my help?
So keep backing shell, I can handle. Just don't shoot that thing, huh?
I will try my best.
Come this way. Cheeky, behind. Take the back and then put in the zip line.
Oh, lucky.
Okay, you keep doing that. I cover.
Okay.
One
Where?
at a time. Come, follow me. Drop it there. In front there.
They're repossessing the pass.
No, don't throw it outside. Very dangerous. The cops may shoot it. Just put it. I just put one there on here.
Yep. Hey, they're stealing the bag.
Oh crap. Okay, you two
Gone better, but it definitely
keep throwing back. I got down there.
back up and go to work.
Okay. Oh, I wonder how you play this one yesterday.
Not this one, different.
Have you secured the bag?
I will guard there.
You're now the two back wall.
I'm trying my best.
HD.
Be ready for anything.
Okay, take it down.
Oh shit, bulldozer. Wait.
Closer! Alright, close it down.
Coming.
Drop this fucking weapon!
Thank you. okay ma, you got full armor and full health.
Oh crap. Okay, I can't cut off.
Do you need my help? You only have a few left.
Oh, we need the bird first.
3 running away.
Oh crap. You in trouble?
AI. I got shit to take care.
Yeah, Tanner, sounds like they're activating sniper teams. Get low. That's one.
Okay.
Do you need me to go down?
Get the bags. Yeah, take the D1.
What back?
Ammo bag over here.
Get what back? All take already one.
Yeah, I think all clear.
That's two.
Then can come down.
Okay.
Logan, dead. Show me some hands, motherfucker. Shield terminated.
Oh my god.
So what a surprise.
Huh?
It's down.
Suddenly like spawn in front of me. Thank you.
Behind here a lot of bags that took already.
Those look like sniper teams, folks. Careful now.
No, you can't throw first. Don't throw. We need to put the turret first. Okay, if can, behind there, there's like 4 or 5 bags.
Oh, yeah.
What
that was
back?
close.
Behind, look at behind.
Game, fellas.
Oh.
Okay, you two go.
Oh, that very far behind one.
Yeah. Actually quite near only.
That's three.
No.
That's it. We got the turret. Now all we need is some ammo.
There's 6 back here. Lucky it's light I can throw.
Good luck, people.
I don't think we should fall down there.
Looks like snipers are gonna get involved.
Logan's dead.
Bulldozer.
No more bags behind, right?
That ammo will fetch a nice price.
Don't think so. God, I don't know where am I being shot at.
Hey, help you
I don't know where I'm being shot at.
everywhere. Don't need us.
Lord, I got thermal too one.
What happened if I throw inside now? Nope.
What did you did? You throw what just now? You throw thermal drill ah?
Yep.
Can ah?
Wait. There's only 9. Oh my god. I think there's supposed to be more. Data. Data. I think there's still some more upstairs. Let's go back up.
Should we carry the drill up?
No need. I think. Wait. Carry one in case. I'm carrying it.
Cover you.
This way. Come on, there was a second.
That's it. Still got one ah?
No. There's one here. The other side, anything?
Oh Lord, we missed out one door ah.
Not sure. Maybe inside there, we check the factory.
Yeah.
Gonna give me a heart attack. Let's get back up and go to work.
Oh, yeah.
Got ah?
Nope.
Low.
More snipers are coming in.
Must be that last one lah.
Watch yourself.
Up here. One more. Taking the drill. Behind. Over here, one more drill. Forgot.
More snipers are moving in.
Bulldozer. Bulldozer coming up, I think.
Wow, no, the cooker so tanh on. Bulldozer đó.
Yeah, no. Oh, need help you.
Coming.
More snipers are coming in.
I gotta take care of that.
Okay.
Oh god.
Coming. Oh crap.
They're putting a sniper team in play. Watch out.
I'm down by the way. Revive me.
Did you molotov the floor or you shoot the ammo?
Oh, top.
Okay.
I got the ammo away this time. I think that's the last ammo.
But it didn't allow me to pick it.
Full did it. Your ammo.
No, 23.
Fight, huh?
Come here, come to me. Here got.
Now get to work.
Okay,
You
wait.
don't have all day.
I
Fix
fixed
the drill first.
I fixed to go.
Jab.
Maybe just now the ammo bag is not enough already. That's why it doesn't refill the full ammo. Wait, wrong train. Seconds.
Almost to the vault door. Get ready.
No bulldozer, please. Okay.
What happened? Should I go down and secure it for
Oh.
you?
Oh, to bag it, I will cut down there.
Okay.
Yeah, over here. This side. Chicky, come here. This one. You're going down. Oh, a lot of shit. Oh, bulldozer behind me.
Shield down. Go, Knox, follow.
Yeah, I'm going down.
Bulldozer.
Drop the weapon.
Can someone take out the shield for me? Okay, shoot now. Joker. Oh, that was close.
Keep bagging. I'll be down there.
Oh my.
Okay.
So much shit.
You can take all.
Shield 10 now, 2 player.
No doubt.
Deploying more snipers. Ammo secured. I'm sending your pickup ASAP. Be ready.
Sniper eliminated.
How are you?
Real close, end it.
Oh, you're dying.
Don't worry. I'm extremely good with handgun. Just extremely bad with shield. Do we need to take a thermal
Nope.
drill?
No need.
Good work back there. You did good back
Ah,
there.
finally.
Take advantage of it now.
I hear bulldozer.
Those look like sniper teams. So careful now.
Oh crap!
I'll take it. You don't go.
Okay. I'm gonna put you on the thing again.
There's nothing. There is a thermal drill. That's all. You can come down.
I'm already down. I'm gonna run. Fuck it. I can't even see shit. Everything is green color.
Oh, I can't see.
Come.
More snipers are
This
coming
way.
in.
This way, Jewel. This way. Where are you going?
I'm gonna flashbang.
Okay, come.
Tason's dead.
Come, let's go. Take the thermal drill for fun. This way. Here. Nice.
That was a bit of a bloody business, but sometimes it gets like that. Still, job done. Great work.
I got 2 Russian head.